Next question is from Janel Vee. She says, I bought the Sous Vide to tackle my arch enemy chicken breast. I always overcook it, and I'm hoping Sous Vide would help. I've yet to make one that turns out, though. Maybe I'm just used to dry chicken, and the Sous Vide ones have such a different texture. I think chicken breast is something that some people cook with sous vide the first time and they love it, and it changes their appreciation of sous vide and chicken breasts. Other people really struggle with chicken breasts for years, and it's something that's interesting to me. I really like sous vide chicken breast, and I eat it a lot for lunches and on salads. I'll just sous vide it. Half the time I don't even sear it, I just dice it up, and I love how moist and tender it comes out. It does have a slightly different texture. When I was cooking traditionally, I really tried not to overcook my chicken more than you kind of have to with a traditional method. So I'd try to cook it to 150, 155, and then I'd pull it all out. I think I was more used to a little moisture chicken than if you are cooking it to 160, 165 like a lot of people do. There is a different texture to it, and I like 140, and I feel like that's the most traditional type texture that you can get from sous vide without it being overcooked at all and retaining a lot of moisture. I know some people go down to 135 or 130, and to me that's always kind of raw tasting, and the texture is just very different and soft, and it looks pink and it looks raw to me. Intellectually, I know it's safe. Emotionally, I'm squeamish about it because it looks raw to me. But 140 to me looks cooked, tastes cooked, just really moist and tender. If you don't like the texture of it at 140 because it tastes too raw to you, just try bumping it up 5 degrees at a time. Try 145 or even 150. Just because I really like it at 140 doesn't mean you have to. 150 might be perfect for you, and it's going to be moister than you cook traditionally, and it's going to turn out a lot better. Also use high quality chicken breasts. If you have the frozen chicken that comes in the frozen patties, depending on the quality, it might not turn out that well because it's lower quality chicken, and there might be nothing you can do with it besides adding heavy sauces. I think enough about chicken there, but wanted to address that because I know a lot of people have had that question.